Hey, Justin here, FNK Classic Cars. Word up. We don't have Leon here to say word up yet, but we're getting ready to go grab him. And in fact, we're going to go check out a car show in Mount Pleasant, right here behind us, at the Rortans Club, put on by Maryland Auto Detail. Hoping to run into a friend of mine, Ron, up there with a really nice 69 GTO. So let's hop in the Firebird. We'll go over, get Leon, and we'll go check out the car show and see what they have to offer.
He bought a couple of pieces of junk from me years ago. They bought the first one, he was like, oh yeah, that Altamiro. Yeah, that was the second one he bought, but the first one was that huge.
Also, they're serving dinner inside now, so go there and get yourself some lunch. Crowd tickets are still available. That's going on to 2 o'clock. $5 each. For 5 for $20. It's located by registration. Chinese option. South Hopper is going on at 2 p.m. This is located by the registration. If any spectator or anyone's interested in getting their car detailed, go up there and see John at Maryland Auto Detailing. He's doing the basic car wash for $20 a vehicle. It's located in the upper corner right here beside the music truck. Now the 50/50 is available, still available. There's $1 a ticket, 6 tickets for $5. Then they got an armlet for $20. And those 3 seats are going to go to St. Jude. And I remind everybody, everything that Maryland Auto Detailing is doing here today is going to help the kids and the parents at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. And then the Mount Pleasant Hurricane Club, they're selling the food inside, so go ahead and help them out. The bathrooms are also located inside.
We're here with Ron today. I've known Ron for about 20 years or so. He has a beautiful GTO, and he's going to tell us a little bit about.
Well, it's a 1969 original 400, custom interior, air ride, custom paint, and a few other extras on it.
How long have you had it?
Going on probably about 16 years now.
So a good while.
Long time.
Let's have a look inside this thing.
That is cool.
Thank you.
I love that. It's so pretty. I love the color.
Hey Ron, what color is this? What do you?
That's an 86 C10 blue with a white pearl and a silver plate. And it's got the silver C10 on the bottom.
What color is it blue?
The C10 blue, the old Chevy. That's what
Okay.
just a tweak to it.
Good job, man. That's beautiful.
So you got about $1 bazillion in hours in this thing, I imagine.
Unfortunately, yeah. And then the rear seats are out of an 06 GTO.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see that, yeah. I had an 06 GTO and I missed it.
Yeah. Actually, I had to shorten them and then widen them to make them fit back there.
Okay. Very cool, man. So, before I go, tell me about Twisted Rods.
Well, we are a local car club that we actually love doing stuff for the community, hanging out, having fun, giving back, and whatever it takes to survive these days.
Right. All right, everybody. When you're done watching this video, go check out the Twisted Rods. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you.
I'm like, yeah, but the way this thing was built, I was like, me knowing how it's built that, I can't put it over there.
All right, guys, we've got some door prize numbers we're giving away. You have to go down to the lower part, right around the pavilion, and claim your prize. First number is 254, 914, 919, 932, 845, 849, 876, 965, and 895. Once again, 254, 914, 919, 932,
Well, it didn't have the green.
845,
No, it's an NB
849, 876.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the footage of the show. Some really neat cars and trucks out there. It was great to run into Ron and take a look at his GTO. Ran into a couple other friends while we were there, checked out their vehicles. Anyway, it's a quick one. Just wanted to share that show with you. It was a local one, and it's not too often we have one. It's just right there in our backyard. We'll be back next week. Never know what surprises we have to offer. We could be racing lawnmowers or washing junk or who knows. Anyway, Justin here, FNK Classic Cars. Word out. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one.